All right, I'm going to show you how to take this and add it to your Google Classroom. So the very first thing is you don't want to open Google Classroom in this tab because if you do, this will go away. So I'm going to open a new tab and then I'm going to click on Google Classroom to open Google Classroom. So while that's happening, see, there it is. I'm going to open my classroom, I hope. I was having trouble last night. Okay, and I want to put this out for the kids to see. So I'm going to click on Classwork, Create, and it's not an assignment, it's just something for the kids to see. So I'm going to click on Material. But I actually thought about this. I think we should create a topic that is daily assignments. Daily assignments. Oops. I'm going to spell it better. Assignments, add. And that way the kids know where it is. Okay, so now I'm going to go to that. All right, and I'm going to add something to it because there's nothing in there. And what is it? It's just material. All right, and here's what I do. I'm lazy. I like to make my life easy. What is this the assignment of? It's it's May 5th. Command or Control copy if you're on a PC, go back and Control or Command V. The reason also why I do this is not just laziness, then I know whatever I'm putting out there matches. So I don't make a mistake and put May 6th instead because my brain is elsewhere, which it often is. All right. And then you can write, please complete the assignments to your best of your ability. Remember to click on the blue links to take you to videos. You can do that or you can just be happy. And then now, it's not here yet. So I have to bring it over from Google Drive. So I add it. And where am I getting it? I'm getting it from Google Drive. And there it is. Because I was just working on it, it tends to be the very first thing that's on your recent, okay? And because we were working on April 30th to get this, that's why that one's next, okay? So maybe I'm going to add that. I'm going to add it. And let's say, I also want to add something else. You can go back to Google Drive. And let's say I also want them to have this adverbs sheet. I can add that. You can add as many things as you want, all right? And then that's it. Now, you can choose how many kids get it. So all your students can get it, or only some. Let's say I only want Alex and Aiden and Gabby to get it. Or I want all the kids to get it. Or I don't want any of the kids to get it, all the kids. Okay? Make sure when that's done. Now, you're done. You've done it, but you have to tell Google to send it to the kids. I'm not going to do that because I don't want this to go to my students. It would freak them out. But you would click on post, or you could schedule it for later. Let's say you're doing this on Saturday. We don't want to freak our families out. We want them to take a break from the computer. You can schedule it. So when do I want it to go out? I want it to go out on May 5th. At what time? I want it to go out at 6 a.m. because some of them are early risers. There we go. And now if I click schedule, it will actually send it. So I'm not going to do that. But that's another way of doing it. All right? If you make a mistake, just click out and then start over. And that's how you do that.